Hi there, Matthews here. I hope you're doing great. We're here with the trade breakdown of USD Swiss, a beautiful, beautiful trade that we took last week. So stick around, watch to the end, and so that you can actually see the whole thing, the step-by-step process of what made me take this particular trade and the confirmation and everything else. So you guys stick around and watch to the end. All right. So right now we'll go ahead and delete everything so that I show you from start to finish. Okay. So you guys, the first thing that you always have to do is determine the overall direction of the market. All right. So if you go to the weekly time frame, you realize that this market has been in a downtrend for a long, long time. All right. So once you realize that, now let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. So from the 4 hour time frame, this is what I saw right here. I saw a nice rudder based drop supply zone, beautiful, beautiful setup right there. So this is very significant. So I saw this rejection, and this is very significant. What do? I go to the lower time frame and see what is happening there. Okay, clearly we have a rally based drop, and look at the beautiful candles that are there. We have massive, massive, beautiful candles right there, which tells me something. There's involvement of what? Big money, right? There's smart money getting involved right here. So I'll go back to my 5 minute time frame. What am I doing there? I'm looking for my order block. All right. So you can clearly see when you come here, you have a very, very nice order block right here. And what is your order block? It's the last bullish candle before the bearish move in this particular case. So right here, this is what our higher high. So this was just a basic rally based drop supply zone, where you wait for price to pull back into that area, and then you do what? You execute your trade. Beautiful. So what you do is you extend this to the right side, and clearly you can see that the market really respected this level right here nicely. Okay, so you have a rally based drop supply zone. So let's go ahead and put just that. This is a rally based drop supply zone. Nice. What's next? You come here. So in this case, we didn't have any liquidity to be taken out. However, we had a change of character at this level right here. Okay, we saw that this low was broken, which tells us that what? The market is changing direction from this being an uptrend to an downtrend, which is the major trend. So after this, we would basically wait for price to come to my level right here, and then execute the trade once I have my confirmation. So my stop loss was about 14 pips, which was slightly above the higher high, just slightly above the higher high. And my target was about 290 pips. Beautiful, beautiful right there. I was targeting these lows below here. Okay, this was a very, very basic supply and demand strategy. I mean setup. It was a very basic supply and demand concept, right? So rally based drop supply zone, wait for the market to pull back into your area. Don't use a pending order. Wait for the confirmation. See how the market reacts from that level, and then once you have your confirmation, execute. Pull that trigger without hesitation, without fear, because you have backtested and your strategy has shown positive expectancy over a series of trades. That's how we stand. That's how we do it, because on a trade by trade basis, anything can happen. So if you've seen our weekly summary, we had a beautiful, beautiful week last week. So you missed out if you're not part of the private community. All right. So you can clearly see that this is how this trade was. So if you come to the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that we had a beautiful rejection from this level right here, and this is where we took the trade. So let me just show you that this trade was actually shared with a private community, our signals community. Let me just show you right now. This was a trade right here, right here. This trade was sent on the 3rd of November. 3rd of November was Thursday, and guess what? It dropped beautifully, and you can see that the confirmation was just right there with a nice bearish pin bar right there, and we had a massive, massive pump to the downside, and this is how it was. This trade was shared with a private community. Stop loss was 14 pips, and our target was like 290 pips, and the market just gave us about 90 pips. I mean 200 pips, which is like 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely amazing. Right? If you're risking 1%, that's like 14% in one trade. Crazy, right? Yeah. So that's how it is. Of course, we don't always have winning trades. We have losing trades, but guess what? The winning trades are able to pay off the losing trades with absolutely good return. So this is how it is. All right. So if you'd like to know exactly how I trade, if you would like to know how to trade exactly like this, we have a mastery course which gives you lifetime access to mentorship, which is you're able to ask me any questions, also lifetime access to signals. All right, so you'll be in the signals community for the rest of your life until you're able to trade on your own, until you don't need me anymore. All right, so you can just go ahead and come here on your description right here. You can actually find this link, the first link in the description. This is a link that actually takes you to the course, to the M&F Mastery course, where you're able to enroll. And once you make the payments, then you actually kind to be added to our both our private community, the premium signals, and also the mentorship community where you're able to ask me questions and everything. All right. So you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and make sure that you turn on that bell notification so I don't get to miss any of our updates. You guys, until next time, goodbye.